We have seen ETL transformations using more than 1,000 fields. Working with them is difficult and time-consuming. It's easy to make errors and hard to find them. There are various ways to make it easier. Here we have a file with more than 700 fields. We are not going to use all fields, so it is vital to get rid of unused fields as early as possible. Field Selector is a perfect tool for this task. We always recommend adding a dummy transformation after Field Selector. This transformation is only used for mapping and nothing else. If we change our mind and decide to add more fields later, dummy transformation will make changing the following transformations much easier. Using Field Selector also increases performance. When the transformation is very complex, with a lot of objects, navigating it is always difficult. The best strategy is to divide the transformations using tabs. This will not reduce performance. Let us move unused objects into a separate tab. This can be done by selecting objects with no links. Once objects are moved, we can split them further by selecting inputs and outputs separately. We can also align and arrange the objects. Thank you for watching this video. Please use our support forum to post your questions.